Okay, here's my quick review of the AcuRite weather station. Right, it's very easy to set up. It does plug in. You can also use batteries. It actually has some batteries in just as backup, but they do recommend that you actually plug it in with the adapter that they send. It was quite easy to set up because the settings button is right here in the front, and every time you push it, you'll get, for example, the very first one, I think, well, if I plug it in right here, is for daylight saving time, then it's for the hour, then for the seconds, all right, then I think this was the month, the date, the year. Do another one that was for Fahrenheit or centigrade, and then the next one has to do with barometric pressure, and then it just sets up. All right, so and it has a lighting feature, right? So I can adjust it and make it brighter. Very easy because I'm going to go back down one here. But because the menu items to change things are just really one button away. This is the remote that goes outside. All right, it has batteries in here as well. It comes with a variety of different ways to hang it. I'm just hanging it on the nail right here, and it's actually right below another weather station. Well, a clock that keeps temperatures, keeps track of temperatures there. The different readings here has outdoor temperature and the relative humidity, indoor temperature, the relative humidity. It also has kind of like a forecasting feature, and what I was surprised with is that actually we had some thunderstorms come through, and before they were showing up, there was thunderstorm indicator here as well. So I'm not sure how it forecasts, but it actually has been forecasting quite accurately. And as for the temperature, I've read reviews that people say that it's not accurate. Right here, the outdoor temperature says 53 degrees, and I'm going to go and show you what my other outdoor temperature ranks right now. Okay, so here's another one that I've had for years, and it's indicating 51 degrees outside. And actually, they were only off by 1 degree a little bit ago. So I think for everything that I have, I think they are pretty accurate.
I absolutely love this thing. I bought this when it was on sale. I think it was like $20. I've had it for, probably a year now, and it comes with a little white box that you put out on your porch or at a tree in your backyard. I have not had to replace the batteries yet. Every time I go out in the backyard, I double check just to make sure that the little red light's still blinking, and it does its job. It gives me the date, it gives me the time, it tells me what the outdoor temperature is, it tells me how cold or how hot it is in my apartment. You can set it up, you can change the brightness. It's got all kinds of extra stuff. It knows when it's going to rain outside. It's really awesome to be able to step out of my bedroom, come out here, and see exactly what the weather is going to be like. It's not super high tech, it's very simple, but if simple is what you need, I would highly recommend this.